So, but I just want to do this really quickly. I'm gonna do a color remover on my hair. So last week I did a whole video, so I'll link it down below. Basically, I wanted to dye my hair like a different tone of blonde, but it turned out really dark. I've been using Head and Shoulders. So this week I washed my hair I think 3 times, and you know, I got rid of some of the color. Now I want to remove the color because I want to color it tomorrow. So hopefully, you know, it's gonna get rid of all this color. This was permanent hair color. So I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Effaceur. I got this at a beauty supply store, so this is not like drugstore. I mean, I don't know where else you could buy this, probably on Amazon. I'll try to find it down below. It's a gentle foaming bath, washes away permanent color, leaving hair ready for recoloring. It says light shades of tint from level 7 to 9. So like my top, I colored it at level 7. I colored the rest at level 9, but it turned out to like be really dark. It says you need 1 pack and 2 fluid ounces of warm water, and you're supposed to leave it on for 10 to 20. I got 2 because I have like a lot of hair. It's not really, I mean, it's short, but I have a lot of it. We will go in the bathroom and I'll just do that. I'll start with 1, maybe I'll have enough. So yeah, 2 fluid ounces of warm water, 1 packet, and I'm just gonna like rub it in my hair, and hopefully it's gonna get rid of all the color. And I'll do a different video because I don't know what kind of color I'm doing next. So yeah. Okay, so the lighting here is not really good, but basically you need 2 fluid ounces of warm water. So I just have water from the tap, and 1 fluid ounce is 30 milliliters, so 2 is 60. So I have a measuring cup. This is like 56. I think that's gonna be good. And you have to use a non-metallic bowl. So I think you need scissors. Okay, I don't have a brush with me, so I'm just gonna use the plastic bag, and I'm gonna use like my finger to mix. This is like really liquidy. It's not the texture of bleach or anything. Also, you should probably have a towel on the floor. Okay. It says to start with the darkest area, so I'm starting with my roots. Harder to do, so I'm just like adding a bit of water. You probably need a lot more than you think, and it's not as easy to blend. So anyways, I'm just like adding a bit of water, like warm water, to my hair, and kind of like trying to like, don't add too much water, but I'm trying to kind of blend it as if it was shampoo. Anyways, it's kind of hard to do, honestly, but like it's definitely working. You can't see, but I can see. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep blending, not blending, but like mixing everything, making sure it's all covered. Here it's not all covered. So yeah. Hi guys, so this is the result of my hair. I'm actually about to color my hair again, which will be a different video. I'm kind of nervous, but I'm really excited. But yeah, this is the result. It did like a pretty good job. It just brought my hair back to the bleach state, which is exactly what I wanted. So now I have a fresh start. I left this on for, I want to say, a good 30 minutes. I just put my hair in a towel. I went and I had a bit of a snack, and then I went in the shower. I washed my hair, I conditioned. My hair felt like really fragile when I was washing it. So this is great to do. It's not as harsh as bleach, but it is damaging. Like, it will damage your hair a little bit. I slept with Olaplex number 3 in my hair, which Olaplex number 3 is great, but it's not all that. I feel like a lot of people rave about Olaplex, but like, it's all right. Each little packet was $10, so not too bad. So basically, color remover is great. You can't go blonde just using a color remover, but if you have permanent color on your hair and you want to go blonde, I would say do a color remover first, because it's more gentle than bleach, and then you can start bleaching. When I was dyeing my hair black and I wanted to go brown, I went to the salon and got a color remover. I didn't really know you could do that yourself, so I would have done it myself, but yeah, you can do that yourself. It's super easy. And yeah, if you want to go like brown for a few months, if you want to go red for a few months, I don't know, it's just great to use. Then you can get rid of the color and start fresh. Don't do it too often, because as I said, it is a little damaging. If you do it with water, it's not going to be as bad. But yeah, if I would have done the color remover with a 20 volume on my roots, I'm sure I would have been able to get rid of all the color of my roots, but I don't mind because I'm dyeing my roots darker anyways. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go now. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I will answer to everybody. I know the beginning of this video was lighting was not good, setup was not all that great, but I'm just trying to show you, you know, I'm trying to like document everything I do about my hair, so I'm just like showing you as I do it. So sometimes setup is not all that great, but I hope you found this helpful. If you ever like wanted to do a color remover, I would definitely recommend it. I wish I would have done that the first time I bleached my hair and like I used a color that I didn't like. I wish I would have used a color remover then, but anyways, I did it now, so I'm excited to have a fresh start. So yeah, I'll leave everything down below, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's at CloiZadori. You can also subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and well, of course you can like the video, subscribe to my channel. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this, and I will see you very soon in a new one. Okay, bye.